And it's time for tables, ladders, and chairs. Perhaps no match more beloved by the WWE Universe than the TLC match, guys.
That's because they're all sadists, Cole. We're talking about the Human Demolition Derby here. Just an absolute car crash of a match. Of course they can't look away.
And out of the ring she goes.
Back into the ring she comes. TLC match. How do you prepare for that, Corey?
Well, it's all about perseverance here. Trying to avoid pain is futile. You have to push your own limits just as much as you push your opponents.
Absolutely fueled by adrenaline right now.
And he fends off the attack.
Nice striking combination. And we can't overlook how devastating that DDT was. German suplex!
Club comes down, very effective. Oh, what a right hook.
Waller sets it up.
Potentially debilitating blow to the back. He put him through the cable and nearly through the ground. Counter upon counter, great minds thinking alike.
And they just busted out an impactful maneuver.
Spiked by that DDT.
Setting up the ladder, center of the ring.
Definitely the spot you want to put it.
And the powerhouse Zoe Stark knocked off her block a bit. Sees his chance to go for the win here.
I can assure you now is not the time for butterfingers.
Trying to grab it.
Reaching. Really needs to keep it steady.
Into the ring again now. Keeping at it. Could this be it?
Fighting to get this thing unlocked, man.
Wow, springboard attack.
Nasty landing, man. No way through it. Whoa, what a chop right there.
Oh, did you hear the impact on the steel?
Well, that had to break something in his body.
She's launched out of the ring. Taking steps toward the top rope. From the top. Direct impact. Right on the ladder.
He wants to break his opponent clean in half.
Being carried around now. Down.
Oh, it's about to get busy in here. We're looking at somebody with very dangerous intentions in mind right now. Devastating neck breaker.
Ladder set right in the middle of the ring. Starts the climb, but needs to move quickly. He's trying to reach it.
Steady. Needs to get a firm grip here.
Bringing the fight closer and closer to our announce desk.
Let's just hope they don't.
Open kicks it. Meanwhile, Kingston can pull it off with the pin. It's over. What an impressive win for Kofi Kingston.
Here are your winners. The team of Kofi Kingston, Bryson Waller, and Zoe Stark.
Big win for these three here tonight.
They are riding high on this win. This celebration might carry on the rest of the month.